Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will describe a picture. Let's look at this picture carefully. This picture shows a bakery shop. There is a baker standing behind the counter. He is wearing an apron and smiling. The baker is giving a paper bag to a man. The man is paying money to the baker. On the counter, there are many breads and cakes. We can see cupcakes, pastries, and loaves of bread. The woman is standing near the counter. She is choosing bread and looking at the items. There is a girl pointing at the cakes. She wants to choose a cake. The boy is standing near her and watching the cakes. Another boy is holding a basket full of bread. Outside the shop, we can see people, trees, and a bus on the road. Everyone looks happy and busy in the bakery. Now pause this video and describe the picture in your own words. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.